Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly check-in. Now this is week 2 of November and we are doing the 7th through the 13th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to get to know you guys. So let me know if you like these kind of weekly check-ins because I do. I love knowing where my money goes and trying to budget it. And let me know if you have a video that you would want me to go check out because I am more than willing to go and check y'all's channels out and get to know y'all on a much different level. So, on the 7th, I'm going to zoom y'all in. On the 7th, we had a no spend day. So I am using the Simply Cammy's stickers. Her link, it will be down below. And also the Erin Condren is an 8.5 by 11 Erin Condren Deluxe Planner. Absolutely love it. This is actually, only have one more month and then I have to buy a new one. But I absolutely love it. It's the biggest one and I can just fill in and write and put as many stickers as possible. But yeah, if you want to get your own Erin Condren, the link will be down below also. So Friday, I actually ordered some Kirkland's lanterns because there was a 50% off lantern sale. If you have seen my vlog, the last vlog that I uploaded, I went to Kirkland's, I bought some lanterns. So I bought 4 of them and that was $20. So that was actually coming out of my cushion. So this is cushion, I believe, right? Let me see. I gotta make sure. I have my my little cheat sheet because I always forget. Let me put that. All right, so cushion is this color. So I'm just gonna write Kirkland's. And let me know if y'all have been to a Kirkland's. I absolutely love Kirkland's. I get all my decor there. It's a phenomenal place. The smell kind of gets to me because it's so strong and like woodsy, and that just makes my head hurt. So I don't go in there all the time, but when I do, I always find something. Alright, so that is everything that I spent on the 8th. So I only got something from Kirkland's, which was the lanterns. On the 9th, which is on a Saturday, we always do our regular gas and groceries. So gas was $20 this week. Let's see, groceries, which is the pink. So we went to Walmart and that was $25. Let's see. And then for Starbucks, and we got snacks also, which was fun money. So I spent $15 at Starbucks, and then snacks was $10. The $15 from Starbucks, I actually loaded it on my gift card. And that's what I pay for when I need coffee. If I'm working on a weekend, I go and get coffee. So that got loaded up, so I have $15 on my gift card and I'm going to spend that wisely. And then snacks, I just needed some snacks for work and everything when I'm working late, so that was $25. So that came out of fun money. So that is it for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we had a no spend. We went to Kirkland's and spent $20. Saturday we did gas, $20, groceries $25, and coffee and snacks was $25. Moving right along, on the 10th, we had another no spend day. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the other two. So Wednesday was a no spend also, and happy veterans. Thank you for everybody who is serving our country and is still serving our country. And then on the 13th was a no spend also. So on the 12th, I went, okay, let me just tell you what happened. So I had lunch so let's see, Wednesday we had lunch brought to us, and I already brought my lunch, but I ate what they brought us. It was like Foozackley's, like chicken tenders and stuff, so I just ate that. And then I was going to save my food, you know, save my food and eat it for Tuesday. Well, when I got to work, somebody threw my food away. So I was super upset because it was chicken Loretta, and I absolutely love chicken Loretta. So I had to go upstairs and eat in the cafeteria, and I ate something that I just did not like. So I spent $8, and then I went to the gift shop because my friend wanted me to just walk with her, and she only wanted a drink, but then she had to spend like $3 if she wanted to use her debit card. And I was like, girl, let me just buy your stuff. So, because I had cash because I brought a $10 bill. So I just paid for her. So in all, I spent $8. That is with her drink and then my lunch. So I just wrote cafe. So that is everything that we spent. And I did really good. I only spent one time, and that was on the 12th. So y'all should be proud of me, you guys. Alright, I'm going to zoom y'all out, and we are going to do our weekly check-in for here. So I didn't even write it. So I'm going to write it real quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys. So we can already fill out to eat because I had no money. So that's $0. And then sinking funds, I did not spend anything again, so we're still at $810, which when you're watching this on Friday, I will be filming a cash envelopes and sinking funds and everything. All right, so let's see. Groceries was $25. How much was it? Yeah, $25. So we spent $25. Gas, we spent $20. Fun money, we spent $25. And then cushion, we spent $20. Alright, so let's figure out how much we have. So 42 from last week minus 25 equals $17. Gas, we only have $20 left. Fun money, we should have $1 left. And then, let's see, cushion, I spent $20, so I should have $4 left on my debit card. Alright, before we end this video, you guys, as always, David Ramsey, I am part of the Financial Peace University. I have taken the class, I have read the books, and I am part of the community there. So, absolutely love it. So, we're going to just count how much money we have. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I actually only have $9. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, do you know? It was from the cafeteria. It's actually still in my jacket pocket, so I actually need to go and get that out. But I do have that, I promise. And then let's see, gas is $20 right here. Well, I don't think that was in frame, but it's right here. $20 for gas. Fun money, I should only have $1. Let's see. Yep. $1. And then, let's see. Out to eat has nothing. And I still have my money for Thanksgiving and everything. So we're going to just keep that, not count it or anything. Alright, you guys, so that is it. Let me know down below if y'all like these videos. I am super proud of myself for not spending a lot of money. I had, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 no spend days, and that was extremely fun. But, yeah, so let me know down below. I'm going to end this video because actually my head is hurting really bad, and I really need to go take my prescribed medicine that my doctor has prescribed to me. So, I will see you guys later, and let me know if y'all like this or not, and be sure to subscribe. Bye, you guys.